Hello mga kababayan from all over the world. Ang dami yung pumupunta sa clinic and we're very thankful. So ngayon didiscuss yung mga pinakamabentang procedure for them. Pinakauna is yung acne scar protocol. Yung mga 5-in-1, 6-in-1. Dito lang kasi nila nagagawa or mahal kasi sa ibang bansa or they don't offer that sa ibang bansa. Yun talaga ang pinakamabenta. Ang common question dyan, Doc, yung downtime, yun nga, around 5 to 7 days. Maganda gawin nyo na siya as soon as pagkalapag nyo if wala kayong beach trip within the coming week or right before you leave. Magbabala talaga kayo mga 5 to 7 days, so you need to plan this carefully sa itinerary. Pangalawa, syempre, Botox. Favorite yan ng mga balikbayan, no? So, maganda sa Botox, when we inject it, no downtime. Konting bumps lang, few hours, wala na yung bumps. And then, meron kaming free retouch for Botox after 1 to 2 weeks. So, unahin nyo na rin yan. Pagkalapag nyo, gawin nyo na yung Botox para ma-avail nyo pa yung free retouch after 1 to 2 weeks. Third, marami tayong mga kababayan with melasma, lalo na yung mga taga Middle East kasi maaraw, no? So, low protocol, yan yung chemical peel with PRP microneedling and Luhilo Snow. They love doing it when they're here in the Philippines. But again, magbabalat, so planuhin nyo either pagdating nyo or bago kayo umalis para ma-enjoy nyo pa yung trip nyo dito. Then, of course, last, favorite ng mga kababayan, lalo na yung walang time talaga for downtime, yung mga skin boosters and biostimulators natin, Profhilo, Rejuran, and Juvelook, pampag-glass skin, pampag-glow ng skin, pampahydrate. Maganda dito, almost no downtime, just small bumps. Even if magbe-beach ka, the next day you can do these procedures. So if you have any questions about the procedures I discussed and gusto niyo na pag-usapan or gusto niyo na magtanong, you can book a teleconsult with us months before you come para maplano na natin or even pag malapit na kayo pumunta, you can already book a teleconsult. See you soon!